I like drinking water. But in the event that you don't, I'm going to give you several different alternatives to drinking plain water so that you no longer have an excuse to be dehydrated. Period. That's it. After this video, no excuses. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you hear that? In my last video, I gave reasons as to why you should be drinking more water and or just fluids in general. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description below. I'll probably put a tag in this video up here somewhere, here, one of these places. Link into that video so you can check it out because I want to help you. I want you to have less headaches. I want you to feel less tired. I want you to have clearer skin, more mental clarity, more energy, more focus, etc. So I'm going to give you alternative ways to boost your health with proper hydration. So the first one, fruit-infused water. If you've gone to restaurants, I'm sure you have, you get water, ice and lemon, gives it a nice little kick, a little burst of flavor, if you will. Other things you could try are berries or cucumbers. Something that takes away the plainness of the water. Maybe that could be just enough to hydrate more. Next up is coconut water. Replace plain water with coconut water throughout the day. Gives you a nice boost of hydration. It also has some electrolytes as well, which is beneficial, especially for those of you who are in a warmer state or who sweat a lot, like me. Electrolytes are helpful. Herbal teas, that's another one that you could try. And it doesn't have to be specifically hot or cold, whatever, just drink. Now personally, I would urge you to be cautious about the caffeine content in some of the teas, but that could be a topic for another video. My goal is to make sure that you're drinking. Keep it simple. Now this next one, it's a favorite of mine. Homemade smoothies. I tell patients this all the time. Those of you that hate breakfast, I've been using this hack since I was a personal trainer. Those of you who tell me, I don't like breakfast. I wake up in the morning, I have my cup of coffee, I can't eat, I don't want to eat. My first meal of the day is lunch. Fine, if that's how you want to live your life, that is A-okay. However, when you're trying to lose some weight, or if you're trying to not be hangry in the morning, things of that nature, and not push yourself till lunch. Those of you who need to actually increase your caloric intake or find ways to have healthier foods in your diet, homemade smoothies are a great way to go about doing it. Get some frozen fruit or fresh fruit, berries, love berries. Berries are the key. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, you name it. Berries galore. Toss those in. You can use alternative milks like almond milk, coconut water, cashew milk. It's delicious. So the next one would be iced green tea. I mentioned herbal teas before. Be careful for the caffeine in some of the green teas, but what you could do is you could brew green tea. You can buy it or you can brew it. If it's warm or hot, then you can refrigerate it, obviously making it colder, and then drinking it that way. That way you get hydration as well as some antioxidants as well. You can try it out. So the next one, homemade electrolyte drinks or electrolyte drinks in general. They sell different powders, they sell different products, etc. Homemade, where you have water with a pinch of salt, citrus juice, and a bit of honey. And that's a homemade electrolyte drink. Alternatively, if you have the budget for it, they have different syrups and powders and other different products you can actually purchase for electrolyte replacement. Chia seed pudding. You can combine the seeds with almond milk, cashew milk, etc. The seeds absorb the liquid, forms a bit of a gelatinous base, and it creates a nice pudding. It's delicious. It's getting cooler now, at least if you're watching this video in the fall or winter. Soups and broths. Bone broth, chicken broth, etc. Soups, vegetable soup, you name it. Make it fresh. It's another way to improve your hydration. And then last but not least, for all of you soda lovers, flavored sparkling water. Now I know. You're probably making a face. You go, oh, it's disgusting, it's terrible. I used to be the same way, but I eventually curbed my sweet tooth and I was able to tolerate the flavored sparkling waters. And there are a lot of good flavors out there. And this would be a great way to wean yourself off of your soda addiction because it's a problem. It is a big, big problem. But just remember, nothing in life worth having comes easy, and nothing easy in life should be taken for granted. If you want to make progress, you have to change something in your routine because your routine is what got you to this point. So you have to get out of your routine, become uncomfortable so that you can achieve the goals you set out for yourself. And all it takes is 1% improvement every time you try to achieve a goal, and you will get there. But you have to put in the work. There's no way around it. Work has to be done. Sacrifices need to be made, and that's just the truth. So thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Feel free to share your tips, tricks, and also if you have any topics that you'd like for me to cover on this channel, let me know in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video.